Indus River Delta Mangrove Forest, Pakistan. In Pakistan, the Indus River Delta Mangrove Forest covers over 600,000 hectares, making it one of the largest arid climate mangrove forests globally. Remarkably, these mangroves thrive in harsh, dry conditions with limited freshwater flow, showcasing their incredible resilience. The mangroves support local fisheries and provide habitats for various species, including fish, crabs, and migratory birds like flamingos and pelicans. They act as natural barriers against coastal erosion and storm surges, protecting inland areas from flooding, a role that's increasingly vital due to climate change and rising sea levels. However, reduced freshwater flow from upstream dams and irrigation has increased salinity levels, threatening the mangroves' survival. Deforestation, pollution, and over-harvesting of resources further exacerbate the problem, endangering both the ecosystem and the communities that depend on it. Restoration projects and conservation efforts are helping to revive this vital ecosystem. Initiatives include reforestation, sustainable resource management, and raising awareness about the importance of mangroves. These efforts aim to ensure that the Indus Delta mangroves continue to provide essential services to both the environment and local communities.